Welcome back for another QNT price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing reasons why QNT needs to continue holding above our key area of support at around the $84.6 mark, and at the time of this recording we continue to hold below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as a resistance for us to continue gearing up. And before I discuss with you reasons why we need to continue holding above that key area of support, allow me to first jump to the daily chart to first give you my long-term Elliot wave analysis here on the QNT chart, where you can see that after seeing our lows back in 2020, we saw that massive bounce to the upside, giving us a 4x to the upper side and an all-time high at around the $429.7 mark. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market where we had been seeing our prices in this ABC corrective structure, giving us a low around the $40.1 mark. And after seeing our lows at around the $40 mark, we started this massive bounce to the upside where QNT was able to pick in a 5-wave move to the upside, giving us a high above the $229 mark and also completing the formation of this wave 1 to the upside. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, which is the move that I believe is what we are seeing at the time of this recording, where we are still seeing a corrective structure in this wave 2 into the minimum target areas for the second wave, highlighted on the charts using this red target area. And this is an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum target area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78. And that is between the $134.7 mark and the $80.8 mark. And basing on that, we need to continue holding above the $84.6 mark, which is our significant area of support. Since the moment we lose that key area of support, that will be suggesting that QNT will now have to fully maximize this red target area to give us a low for the second wave, before we can see a reaction of the target area and get impulsive in the formation of that wave 3 to the upper side. And in case we continue holding above that key area of support and maybe in the next coming weeks we see another bounce to the upside, there are chances that QNT has its low for the second wave at around the $84.6 mark, and we can continue getting impulsive in the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side. And if that is the case, then using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the pips to the low that we have at the time of this recording, I get a target area for the third wave at the Fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $390.9 mark, which is the minimum that we can expect that wave 3 to the upper side to do. But for now, we need to have in mind that the risk still remains to the downside, where we can expect one more new low, maybe at around the $80 mark in the formation of that wave 2, before we can get that massive bounce in the formation of that wave 3 to the upper side. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the QNT chart, and that's the reason why we need to continue holding above the $84.6 mark, which is our key area of support. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and if it was, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership.